Hello guys, welcome to a new and fresh video of the CyberFit. In this video, I am gonna show you how you can install Linux on your Apple mobile or iOS device. For that, let me screen mirror my Apple device. Here first, I will use UX Play for screen mirroring my device. Let me start UX Play service first. It will take some seconds to mirror my screen. Okay, now the screen mirroring has been started. I will minimize the terminal. Okay, let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay, for installing, you have to go to App Store and find ISH tool. ISH tool will install Linux on your system. After that, open it. Now you can see. Okay, let me just full screen it. Okay, now if I type uname -a, it will show that it's running Linux at localhost. If I go to the root folder cd-l, then if I ls here, you can see the system files in my phone. And let me show you just one thing. If you go to the files, you can see there is a folder name ish already created. So let's see what you can do with the ISH tool. Okay, you can update it by typing apk update. We don't use apt here. This is Alpine Linux, and I will update it, and after that I will show you how you can install packages. There are, you can see there are 14,630 packages. For upgrading, you have to type apk upgrade. This will start upgrading. I will upgrade it later. For finding packages, you can go to Chrome and search for Alpine Linux. And if you go to the first website, you can see the packages here. You can go to packages. Here are the list of packages available for Alpine Linux. You can see there is 4,607 pages. Almost every packages you will get there. Let me just install one or two things. Let me show you. apk add. Oh, one more thing, you can install packages by typing apk add, then the package name. Let me install neofetch here, and neofetch, and this will start installing neofetch into your system. Okay, it will take some time depending on your internet speed. Now you can see neofetch has been installed. So we can run neofetch here. This is very exciting. Run Linux on your mobile phone. For Android, you can use Kali Net Hunter, but this is the first time. For iOS, you can use Linux here. You can also install Git here. For that, you have to type apk add git. After that, you can git clone any packages into your system. You can also make packages in it and practice your Linux here. That's very great. Thanks for the ISH team to make a tool like this. If you don't have any computer, don't worry, You just have to install iOS on your system. You can see that there is hash in front of localhost, so you are already a root user. If you type who am I, this will say you are root user. So you can do anything a Linux PC can do. You just have to follow the CLI which is known as command line interface, and you can use Linux here. So let's get into the Linux practice, guys. If you don't have any PC or computer, just install iOS, or for Android you can install Kali Net Hunter. I will make the Net Hunter installation video later on. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Just subscribe my channel and like my videos. This will be a great help to grow my channel. Thank you.